Welcome to interactive session with EcoGreen Fenestration Technologies on doors and windows. Join us with one button click and build your skill in fenestration industry with expertise. Today's topic is plant layout. Today we will discuss what is plant layout, objective of plant layout, types of plant layout. Part 2 we will discuss types of plant layout in details, advantages and disadvantages of each type. What is plant layout? Plant layout means arrangement of equipments, material, manpower and method. Plant layout is a physical arrangement of men, material, machine and method to achieve best efficiency and minimize the overall cost. सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बोले तो वह तरीका जिसमें डिफरेंट मशीन्स, प्लांट सर्विसेज विद इन फैक्ट्री प्रेमिसेस में प्रॉपरली यूटिलाइज करके ग्रेटेस्ट पॉसिबल हाई क्वालिटी आउटपुट पाते हैं एट अ लोवेस्ट पॉसिबल कॉस्ट. Two plants have similar operations may not have identical layout due to size of plant, nature of process, management caliber. ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सेम ऑपरेशन वाले प्लांट्स का आइडेंटिकल लेआउट होगा. लेआउट हमेशा साइज ऑफ प्लांट, नेचर ऑफ प्रोसेस, मैनेजमेंट कैलिबर और फाइनेंशियल एबिलिटी ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पे डिपेंड करता है. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ प्लांट लेआउट. फर्स्ट पॉइंट वी कैन चेक the bottlenecks and point of congestions are the main reasons to delay the material handling and transportation. Better plant layout can eliminate the bottlenecks and point of congestion. किसी भी स्टेशन या प्रोसेस पर अगर काम रुक जाता है और स्लो हो जाता है उसको हम लाइन बैलेंसिंग से एलिमिनेट करते हैं ताकि हम मटेरियल हैंडलिंग एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन को मिनिमाइज कर सकें. सेकेंड पॉइंट, मूवमेंट मेड बाय वर्कर इज मिनिमाइज्ड. Since the plant layout is responsible for an orderly flow of material productivity and morale of the worker, necessary to have a systematic designed layout so that we can reduce the movement. Third point, waiting time of semi-finished product is minimized. लेआउट में हम प्रोसेसेस देख रहे हैं कौन सी मशीनरी पे कितना प्रोसेस लग रहा है. इससे हम सेमी फिनिश प्रोडक्ट का वेटिंग टाइम कहीं ना कहीं कम कर रहे हैं. Fourth point, increase the flexibility for changes in product design and future modification. Fifth point, utilization of cubic space. That means beside using the floor space, its ceiling height also utilized to accommodate more material in same place. For example, we can take mezzanine flooring. Mezzanine flooring is to provide extra storage space that are used for manufacturing, distribution, office space and other expansion of retail space. Sixth point, improved work method and reduced production cycle time. Seventh point, to make the workplace safe, ventilated and free from dust, noise, fumes, etc. With this there is reduction in accidents and also increase the morale of workers and also create the good employer-employee relationship. 8 point, to increase productivity and better product quality with a reduced cost of production.